Hi guys, here's the answers to last night's homework. So you can stop the video and correct your answers. So when you're finished then you're going to try question 11 and 12 on page 330. Okay, so today we're going to look at the composition of a set of cards. So for those of you who are not familiar with cards, there's 52 cards in a full deck. You can divide them up into four different suits. You have hearts, diamonds, clubs, and spades. Within each suit, you have king, queen, jack, a 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and an ace. So A stands for ace. So there's 52 cards in a deck. There's 26 red cards, 26 black cards, so half and half, red and black. And then there are your four suits. There's 13 in each suit, and each suit has the same amount of cards in it. Okay, so it's really important that you familiarize yourself with this. We're going to have a look at an example. This example is in your textbook, and it is on page 331. So if we look at this example, a card is drawn at random from a standard pack of cards. Calculate the probability of getting a king. The probability of getting a king. So first of all, we need to know how many kings are there in a deck of cards. And there are 4 kings in total in a deck of cards. So you have the king of hearts, the king of diamonds, king of clubs, and king of spades. And you put that over the total amount of cards, which is 52, because there's 52 in the deck. Part B, we're going to look at the probability of getting a black card, a black 7. So again, we have a look at our deck of cards here, and there are, if you look here, there are 2 black 7s. So you have the 7 of clubs and the 7 of spades. And there's 52 in your pack altogether. Now, what I forgot to say to you was that you can actually simplify these fractions. So if we divide the top and the bottom here in the 2 over 52, that will give us 1 over 26. And if we do the same for part A, if we divide the top by 4, we'll get 1. And if we divide the bottom by 4, we'll get 13. Okay, and the last part then, part C, we're going to look at the probability of not getting a red card. Not getting a red card. Okay, so to not get a red card, okay, if you're not getting a red card, you get a black card. Now, if we look up here, there are 26 black cards in the pack. So we do 26 over the total amount, which is 52. And you can simplify that fraction. If you divide the top and the bottom by 26, you'll get a half. So its probability of not getting a red card, in other words getting a black card, is a half, because half the pack of cards are black. Okay, what I want you to do now, I want you to try on page 332, I want you to do question 1 and 2. Now, if you do have a pack of cards at home, it would be no harm familiarising yourself with the pack of cards. Maybe have a game with your brother or sister or family member, and just familiarise yourselves with a pack of cards. Thank you.